Hey, good morning. Nick Criswell here with Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. I want to do a quick video for you on this beautiful 2019 GR22 that just arrived yesterday. This is on the Ford chassis. It's got tons of features to talk about. It's in mint condition. Let's check it out real fast. Here at Johnson RV, I give you the GR22 Quantum. This is a 2019 on the Ford 350 chassis. Some cool things about this one is under 30,000 miles. Under 30 hours on the generator, under a $70,000 price point. You can check it out online at johnsonrv.com, but please give one of the guys on the team a call to confirm availability. With the season in full swing, our inventory around here changes almost daily. This Quantum has a beautiful exterior paint, outdoor entertainment, backup camera, large power awning with a nice LED strip that goes almost all the way down. As you enter this beautiful 2019 Quantum GR22, it is equipped with a ton of exterior storage. You've got very deep compartments underneath the dinette on both sides. It is equipped with seat belts as well. You've got a large overhead bunk with a lot of windows for that natural light. Again, this is on the 350 Ford, under 30,000 miles. You've got the nice rear bedroom slide, large corner bath located on the left, a 3-burner cooktop, deep stainless steel sinks, solid surface counters, microwave above, and the oven underneath. You can check this one out online at johnsonrv.com or give one of the guys on the team a call with any questions at 458-226-2472. Again, this is the GR22 at Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon.